Right, any ideas where we are today? Here's a little clue for you. We are at this very nice little Muban house and estate in Saraphi. And Patty, you know Patty that's been on our channel before, she's got a house here and she said, Wayne, come and have a look because it's for rent. So we're gonna go and have a look. I've been to have a look at the place myself a minute and it looks very, very nice. So as you can see, we are in the lovely Saraphi countryside. It's beautiful out here, it really is. Probably my favorite area of the city, and this is the house here. So this place is for rent. I like the color scheme, and well, it's really nice inside. And here's Patty, look.
Hello.
Nice to see you again, Patty.
Hi.
And
nice to see you again.
yeah, we're gonna let Patty talk us through this house.
Yes.
Actually. And it's nice, very nice.
Yes.
The
very
outside.
Nice and good location.
Yeah, good location. Saraphi, how far from the city do you think?
This area, if you want to go to the city, you can go by 3rd Ring Road, just 10 to 15 minutes.
10 to 15
Yes,
minutes,
and
yeah.
to the airport also in the
So
town.
this is Saraphi or Hangdong?
It's Saraphi.
It's like in the middle though, right?
Yes.
So, but it is Saraphi.
Saraphi, but this area not have flooding.
No flooding here. So we are quite near the river.
Yes.
But not every area of Saraphi floods, guys. It's not everywhere.
Yes.
So this place is good for the flooding.
Yes.
That's a big thumbs up as well. And how long ago was this finished?
This just finished last 2 months.
2 months.
Yes.
So it is
And,
brand new.
Brand new, very new.
Yeah, nobody's lived here.
No. And everything is new also.
Yes.
Furniture new, bed, everything new. And when you go, is this for the gate. We use electric gate. But
Oh, it's electric.
Yeah, electric gate. Now just wait some guy for set up the motor.
All right.
Yeah.
So
When
that'll
you go
be
in-
remote control?
Yes.
I see.
When you come home and you just use the remote and the
Okay,
gate
cool.
will open for you.
Electric gate.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, is that the doorbell?
Yes, doorbell.
Doorbell. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So there you go, guys. You get a electric gate and a small garden here,
Yeah.
which
And
is
put avocado.
oh, avocado. I love
When you
avocado.
grow up and you can eat
Yeah.
avocado. You can take for the morning coffee.
Yeah,
Because
perfect,
in the
right?
morning here is not hot.
No, the sun won't be here yet.
Come up here and sunset in the back.
I see.
Yes.
It's private here.
Yes.
Or you got some trees, some houses over that way.
Yeah.
But you can't
But that
see.
they are back house.
Yes.
Yes. Like a private.
Right. Right.
If you like something private, peaceful, quiet, and but very convenient because around here we have fresh market, 7-Eleven, and some pharmacy.
Yeah, have everything here. I just passed it all as well.
Yes, and this one is nearby German school.
Oh, German school, yes.
And Lana International School.
Right,
And
so-
if you go in the superhighway nearby ACIS, Chinese American School.
Yeah.
Simpson School or Ambassador.
Right. So got all the schools here.
Yes, around here.
I'll just show you. I think there might be a bit of rain coming. So we'll go and have a look at the house.
Okay. Okay. That is when you go inside. And these are like a dining area and living area. We just celebrate house a few days ago. And these are 6 table.
6-person table. And this is all included, right?
Yes.
Even the sofa here.
Include.
Look
no,
at
no,
this.
it's new. I buy
Right.
new one.
Right.
Yes.
Oh, so it won't be this one. This one is included.
Yes.
Ah, okay. We'll test it. Yeah, sofa bed. I like these, don't you? They've got aircon in every room.
Air condition every room. Sorry, I will close the. Very good for family.
Yeah, family.
We stay like a couple.
Because it's 3 bedrooms.
3 bedroom, 3 bathroom.
3 bedroom, 3 bathroom.
This kitchen have everything like gas. It's
Yeah.
a gas stove and wood microwave. Yes, and fresh.
And a fridge, big fridge.
It's new.
Right,
It's
all
everything
included.
new.
Everything.
New.
Wow, okay.
I never use it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Never used.
Never used.
There you go. So nice
This one
kitchen.
also.
Get your microwave
Microwave.
outside. You've got a wall there. You've got neighbours, but there's not too many houses here.
Yes.
There's only a few.
A few house here.
Yeah, few house. That's what I like about Saraphi. It's
Yes.
not lots and lots of houses together.
Yeah.
Ah, very nice. I like the door as well. Got your
Can
door
slide
here.
door.
Yeah, that's
If you
cool.
move, and you can close the door.
So you got a nice big window here as well,
Big
What-
window and
where we were
for the-
sitting.
Yes, you can eat.
I'll just show it so you can go
Yes.
out that way. Look, yeah,
Go out.
that's where we were sitting
Yeah.
just a moment
Just
ago.
go out from here. Sit for morning coffee.
Ah, there was a bedroom soon as we come in, so we'll do that one first.
That one is a master bedroom.
Oh, this is the master one.
Yes.
So you come in here, guys,
Yes.
and then this is your master bedroom out the front. So yeah, this is very nice, right?
Yes.
Nice room, got your aircon, nice bright walls. We always have to do the mattress test. Yeah, it's a medium mattress. Yeah, it's been cloudy, then blue, then rain. So this would be all your wardrobe, big wardrobe.
Yeah.
Big, all your space there.
So many space.
Yeah, nice. And have a bathroom in here.
Yes. Bathroom.
There you go,
And
guys.
with the rain shower and for the shower.
Yeah, I like that, don't you, Patty? I like rain
And
shower.
have like a water heater already.
Ah, water heater.
Yes.
I see. Yeah, I like rain shower. Wish I had that in my house.
Yeah.
Okay. Very nice.
And I will show you the second room.
Okay.
Maybe that one, this one, and maybe you can use for like an office because now we're not yet to set up. Maybe some family or some people they work from home.
Yes, so you purposely left this one empty
Yes, for
an
maybe
office or something. But you could make it into a bedroom
Yes,
if you wanted to.
Just put bed.
But that's why Patty's left it
Yes.
empty.
And behind is we put a washing machine.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
place for the washing machine.
Yes.
So this would be whatever you wanted it to be.
Yes.
And down here is bedroom number 3.
Yes.
So this one's a bit smaller than the master, obviously.
Yeah, a little bit small.
Little bit smaller.
Yes.
But yeah, it's just a different
every-
design.
Yes.
So you got your
Same.
bedroom, and this one you've got this like hallway
Yes.
with your bathroom down here with the same again. You got your shower
Yes.
and everything. Look, all brand new, lovely.
Brand new.
So that's
And air
your
condition is every room we have.
yeah, every room. Because some houses we see there's only one.
Yes.
In some
Brand new.
other places, yeah. So you got your aircon, and that's what people on my channel always say. Ah, there's no aircon, but this house has
Yeah.
3, 4.
Full. And this
This
for the
is
bathroom,
right. This is
for
just
guests.
the guest bathroom, or
Yes.
just in the living room bathroom.
Yes. And have water heater also.
Oh yes, you got another. So this house is 25,000.
Yes.
Right, 25,000, and
1 month and 2 months for deposit and 1 month for rent advance.
okay,
And ready
2
to
months
move.
deposit.
Yes.
And any other fees? Yeah.
No need to pay. In everything include.
Right, everything include. So 25,000
Electric from the government.
government rate, and the water
Same.
government.
Yes.
1 year minimum. It was good to come and have a look.
Also.
Yeah, just show out here.
If you walk and if you want to buy something, and they have some small shop.
Yeah, I seen the shop there.
Yes, small
Yeah,
shop
nice,
there.
nice shop.
Yeah.
Yeah, get a thumbnail with Patty in actually for the
Yeah,
video.
welcome home.
Yes, this one's going to be finished soon.
Yes, we'll finish soon.
And you said there's going to be a few more down here, maybe.
Yeah, make more house.
Right, so there's.
That is a same layout.
But there's not going to be many. It's going to be a few here. What I always think about these places, These old houses that were here before, it must piss them right off.
That one they sell also.
This one?
Yeah, they sell for land, empty land also.
Okay.
22,000 per square watt.
Right, that
Yes.
house there.
They will build another house in the corner.
We've seen it all in here. I will show a bit more out on the road when I leave.
Yes, thank you.
And
for come.
yeah, thank you so much. It was good to have a look. There's the house. If anybody's interested, you can contact me, or maybe we'll leave Patty's contact down below as well. Right, we're going to leave Patty in peace
Okay.
now, because she's going to go off and we're going to go home. So I'm
Thank
sure
you.
we will see Patty again.
Thank you so much.
Right, dudes, it's worth a look, eh? So I'm just going to have a look around here a minute. We'll just see what's going on down here too. So there'll be a few more getting built here, but it's not going to be a hell of a lot. Yeah, you can go all the way around. So there'll be how many there? Maybe 4. And they're building here, look. Bloody gap. Building another one here, look. You can go all the way around here. See, this is the other side. So you've got some different design ones around here. Hey, that's a nice one, isn't it? I like that one. Right, let's sort this phone rattler out, man. Hey, that one there, quite nice as well, right? 25,000 it is. But that's what Patty wants for it. Oh, I love this area, man. It's the real side of Chiang Mai that's still left. Don't know, Saraphi's always got that Wild West feel to it, and there's the river. So you could walk up here, and you know, it's known for flooding here, but Patty said it don't flood down there. So I'm going to take her word for that. You got a restaurant right on your doorstep, well, loads of them. I like this guy too, got to have a selfie with him, haven't we? Yes, mate. Everybody was Muay Thai fighting, fast as lightning. So there's a 7-Eleven just up there. We're not going to show everything here. This is where you'd come down in the evening, look. See, there's the main road over the bridge. So this would be a place where you'd get some food. Happy days, very local. Very local, look. Swaddy Kap, Sabadi Mai. I'm good, thank you. I just showing your area.
This noodle soup.
Noodle soup.
Yes.
Cool.
To try.
Pork noodle.
Not expensive.
No.
Price start
Passive.
50 baht. Yes.
Yeah, good. So that would be a place where you could eat, and you'd have your shops here as well. Shall we get a drink off this lady? I think we get a drink from this lady. They got so much selection at these ones, man. With milk but no sugar, thank you. Tell you what, if that house was cheaper, I'd have it. I got me 20 baht green tea. That is a bonus, mate. Got hot there. I'd be in there every day. Right on the doorstep if I lived in that house. And look at this, never been this area, man. Never been this area of Saraphi. I like it. We're gonna walk down here, so there's a daily market down here later on this evening. Hello, miss. Sabadi Mai. Got a lady here looking. She does the water, look. Drops off the water. And there's the bridge. That'll take you anywhere you want. There's the mountain, look. Straight back in the town, easy. But yeah, really nice house, way out of my budget, and it's quite high. When she said 25,000, what's that? Yeah, that's like 600-700 pounds. So yeah, it's not the cheapest, is it? But Patty knows what she wants for it, and it's a brand new house. And you got the Ping River right here. I'm gonna stop waffling because we're going to be going over the same old stuff today. I said I would come and... What's matey pointing at here? Hey? Huh? Ah, he's pointing at his missus. I thought he was having a go at me. He's having a barney with a girl here. Hopefully not, because I chatted with her. Right, let's get out of the way, man. Let's get out of the way here. I thought he was aiming that at me. Hope you're all safe and sound as always. Me and me mate here, checking out, finishing the green tea and getting home for the evening. Hope you're all safe and sound as always, and I will see you in the next one. So take it easy, man. Take it easy.